ሰላም ቤተሰቦች ዛሬ ደግሞ በጥያቄ መሰረት ሪቪው ኤክሰርሳይዝ ዩኒት 4 የኢኮኖሚክስ ይዘንላችሁ መጥተናል እና ይህን ቪዲዮ በትክክል ተከታተሉን እና የከበዳችሁ ነገር ካለም ኮሜንት ላይ መጠየቅ ትችላላችሁ። ቪዲዮ ላይክ፣ ሼር፣ ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ ተከታተሉን። ወደ ጥያቄው እናልፋለን። ሪቪው ኩዌሽን ፓርት 1 write true if the statement is correct or false if the statement is incorrect for each of the following statement. Question number 1. The only factor that can cause a change in a quantity demand of a commodity is a change in the price of the commodity. Our answer is true. መልሱ true ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው። አንደኛው ጥያቄ መልሱ true ነው የሚሆነው። ሁለተኛ ጥያቄ question number 2. A surplus exists when the market price is above the equilibrium price. Question number 2 answer is true. ሁለተኛው ጥያቄ መልሳችን true ነው የሚሆነው። ወደ ሶስተኛው ጥያቄ እናልፋለን። The next one is question number 3. A change in the price of coffee may affect the quantity of petroleum demand. Our answer is false. ሶስተኛው false ነው የሚሆነው። Question number 4. A change in the price of wheat may affect the quantity of wheat supplied. Question number 4 answer true. አራተኛው መልሱ true ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው። Question number 5. A change in the income of a consumer cause a change in the quantity demand of a commodity. Question number 5 answer is true. አምስተኛው መልሳችን ምን ነው የሚሆነው? true ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው። Question number 6. An increase in the quantity demanded of a commodity leads of a decrease in the equilibrium price. መልሳችን true ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው። ስድስተኛ our answer is true. ቀጣዩ ሰባተኛ ጥያቄ in the next question number 7. Excess supply of a commodity means that consumers want to buy less than what the producers are willing to supply. Our answer is true. መልሳችን true ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው እዚህ ላይ። Question number 8. Graphically, the equilibrium price of a commodity is the intersection point of the demand and the supply curves of the commodity. Our answer is true. መልሳችን true ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው ስምንተኛ እና ጥያቄ ቁጥር 9 ጋር እንገባለን። Question number 9. The amount of a commodity that is bought and sold at a lower price is called the equilibrium quantity. Our answer is false. መልሳችን false ነው የሚሆነው። አስረኛ question number 10. Provided that market demand and supply remain unchanged, the price will neither tend to rise nor fall below this equilibrium price. መልሳችን true ነው የሚሆነው። Our answer is true. Part 2. Choose the correct answer among the alternative form of the following question. Question number 1. Demand reflects the quantity of commodity that consumers want. A. Want to buy it at a different price. B. Need to buy at alternative price. C. Are willing and able to buy at alternative price. D. Can be bought at alternative price. መልሳችን C. Are willing and able to buy at alternative price ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው። Question number 2. A demand schedule shows the relationship between the quantity demanded of a commodity over a given period of time and the blank. A. Price of the commodity. B. Taste of the consumers. C. Income of the consumers. D. Price of related commodities. Our answer is A. Price of the commodity. ጥያቄ ቁጥር 3 question number 3 more of a commodity will be purchased at lower prices because A. Consumers substitutes this commodity for others whose price has not changed. B. At lower price, consumers can buy more of this commodity with a given money income. C. More consumers will buy the commodity at lower price than at higher price. D. All of the above. Our answer is D. All of the above. መልሳችን D. All of the above ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው። Question number 4 a change price of a commodity A affect the consumer's ability to buy the good. B affects the consumer's willingness to buy the commodity. C changes the tastes of consumers. D all of the above. Our answer is A affects the consumer's ability to buy the good. መልሳችን A ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው። Question number 5 which of the following is not held constant in defining the demand schedule? A. Income of a consumer. B. Price of the good in question. C. Price of other goods. D. Number of consumers. መልሳችን B. Price of the good in question ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው። Question number 6 ስድስተኛ ጥያቄ a movement along a demand curve can be caused by a change in A. Income of a consumer. B. The price of other goods. C. Expectation about future price. D. The price of the good in question. Our answer is D. The price of the goods in question ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው መልሳችን። Question number 7 a movement along a supply curve can be caused by a change in A. Price of the good in question. B. Price of related goods. C. Expectation about future income. D. Taste of a consumer. Our answer is A. The price of the good in question. Question number 8 the intersection of a market demand curve and a market supply curve for a commodity determines A. The equilibrium price for the commodity. B. The equilibrium quantity for the commodity. C. The point of neither surplus nor shortage for the commodity. D. All of the above. Our answer is D. All of the above. Question number 9 which of the following statement is not true? True when price is above the equilibrium price. A. The quantity supplied exceeds the quantity demanded of the commodity. B. There is a shortage of the commodity. C. The pressure on the commodity price in downward. D. There is a surplus of the commodity. Our answer is A. The quantity supplied exceeds the quantity demand of the commodity. Question number 10 excess demand for a commodity means that the consumers want to buy A. More than it is supply. B. Less than it is supply. C. Equal to it is supply. D. None of the above. Our answer is A. More than it is supply.